When determining what type of content and how to target your audience better with the content, you can use a service called Google.com Trends. And what this website does is this basically lets you know the search trends that are happening online. So it's really real time, it's past 24 hours. You can see the most popular search terms and search phrases that are being searched for. So here you've got a breakdown of categories, you've got a breakdown of countries, so you can really break down that content to be able to isolate and pick out your content properly. So if I was to go to Canada and business topics, we see that yes, here BMW right now, that's trending. And as well, you can type in your own topic. So if you had a construction company, you see here that interest over time, so it has been decreasing. They also have this what's called forecast. You can see where they're forecasting the trend to be going up, and sometimes you can pick out trends that in certain points it does drop down. So you can see that constantly in December there's all these drop downs in construction. So we've got a comparison as well, so heavy equipment and just overall interest in time. Then constantly in December you see these drop downs. Now we can add an additional term as well to do a comparison, and when we scroll down we can see that the breakdown of regional interest for that term, and we can see here that what's rising, top additional terms, queries that are being put in, the top queries, and this will give you a good idea for keywords as well as more ideas for that brainstorming of content for the website. So this is a great way to find content, as well as if you do have an AdWords account, you can do a keyword list there as well and search out keywords there. But more and more people are starting to use trends to pick out those keywords, and really being able to identify and understand the audience and what purpose they are, what's the reason, what they're querying for, and what they're looking for online. Because that's what you really want to do, is answer these questions, these queries, and provide answers on your website for those queries.